Good evening. We have come across with the name Varghese Kurian. Varghese Kurian many number of times, and he is considered to be the father of white revolution in India. What is this white revolution? This is called Operation Flood, and Varghese Kurian was the personality behind this. Because of him, so many people have come together and they have formed into the cooperative societies, and that became a big revolution. With that, India became the highest milk producing country in the world. Even today also, India stands at number one position with respect to the production of the milk in the world. And as far as that great personality is concerned, his birth anniversary is celebrated on November 26th every year. That is the reason why November 26th is considered to be National Milk Day. And I'll be showing this document now. Apart from this, many other things are also there for the discussion, including certain schemes of the central government. We'll be discussing all these one after the other. Now, let me open the document for you. Kindly have a look at this. National Milk Day is observed on, as I told you just now, this is observed on November 26th every year, and this is because of the birth anniversary of the father of white revolution in India, that is Varghese Kurian. Look at this. These are important. And of course, any revolution, maybe green revolution, white revolution, blue revolution, all these are important for the examination. During our economy classes, we have discussed about all these at length. Next, look at this. Indian National Milk Day is observed every year on 26th November to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Varghese Kurian, the father of India's white revolution. It may be a direct question sometimes. Who is considered to be the father of white revolution in India? It is Varghese Kurian. And also make a note of this very clearly. World Milk Day, as far as November 26th is concerned, so this is the National Milk Day that is celebrated in India. But when it comes to World Milk Day, this is observed every year across the world on 1st June, on June 1st, and this is observed by the United Nations. Please remember this one. November 26th is important. June 1st is also important. Operation Flood is important. White Revolution is important. And Dr. Varghese Kurian is always important. Look at this. In which year, important one, in which year Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana scheme was launched? In which year Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana scheme was launched? 2016, 14, 19 or 18? Answer is option A, that is in the year 2016. Kindly remember this. And of course, it has been renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana in the year 2017. Right? Look at the points, please. In the year 2016, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries introduced an umbrella scheme for agro marine processing and development of agro processing clusters, which was proposed to be implemented with the allocation of 6,000 crores for a period of 2016 to 2020. And please look at this. It was renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, PMKSY. Look at this, very important. What are the objectives? Objectives is to supplement agriculture, to create processing and preservation capacities, to modernize and expand existing food processing units with a view to increase the level of processing, to add value leading to the reduction of the wastage. And look at this, there are 7 components under this PMKSY. What are they? Mega food parks, integrated cold chain and value addition infrastructure, and the infrastructure for APC, creation of backward and forward linkages, creation and expansion of food processing and preservation capacities, food safety and quality assurance infrastructure. Last one, human resources and institutions. Kindly remember, all these are very, very important for the examination. Look at this. India is procuring, in another one, important one. India is procuring MQ-9B Sea Guardian unarmed drones from which country? France, UK, USA or Russia? Very, 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 very important one. India is procuring from United States of America. Please remember this. Okay. Next, another important one. Hong Kong International Convention is related to children, immigrants, ships, railways. Kindly remember, all the conventions, whatever they happen, wherever they happen in the world, they are important for the examination, and the answer is option C, that is related to ships. Another very important one, Italian hydroelectric project is located in. It is very much there in the news. You must be aware of this. Is it Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra or Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Very, 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 very important. Look at this, next one. This one we have already discussed earlier. In which year the Pragati was launched? Answer is 2015. Pragati was launched in the year 2015. This is a multi-modal platform for proactive governance and timely implementation involving central and state governments. Look at this, Pragati stands for proactive governance and timely implementation. So this is called Pragati. Look at this. It has been designed by the Prime Minister's Office team, that is called PMO, with the help of the National Informatics Center. During our discussion of Indian economy, many times we have come across with NIC, National Informatics Center, and it enables, meaning Pragati enables the Prime Minister to discuss the issues with the concerned central and state officials with the full information and the latest visuals of the ground level situation. And this is a 3-tier system where the Prime Minister's office is involved, union government secretaries are also involved, and at the state level, chief secretaries of the states are also involved. Very important one. Very frequently it appears in the news, and that is Pragati. Fine, that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.